Do you know? Russia is secretly building a new generation of bombers, which is said to be able to put a lot of pressure on the US strategic bombers after it comes out. His name is PAKDA, which sounds domineering, but the nickname is more straightforward. Some people call him the stealth bomber of the polar bear. Why? Because its biggest highlight is stealth and long-range aggravated strike. This aircraft is not the old routine of the traditional bomber with a large fuselage and 4 engines. It directly adopts the flying wing layout, which looks a bit like a huge black bat. The biggest advantage of this design is that the radar reflection area is small, and you want to find it like looking for a needle in a haystack. What's more, it is expected to have a range of more than 11,000 kilometers, and it can also be refueled in the air. To put it simply, it can take off from the Russian mainland and fly to the other side of the ocean without stopping to deliver a long-range courier to the opponent. In terms of weapons, it is said that it can be hooked on various cruise missiles, precision-guided bombs, and even hypersonic missiles in the future. Imagine that such a large stealth bomber flew over silently and suddenly dropped a bunch of high-speed missiles. The picture is simply a scene of strategic fear. The question is, what is the current record of this aircraft? Don't worry, he is still in the development and testing stage, and the real body has not been fully exposed. However, according to the official statement, the first flight will be made in the next few years. If mass production goes smoothly, he will replace Russia's old Tu-95 and Tu-160 and become a new pillar of the strategic air force. Interestingly, EMI especially likes to build momentum for him, saying that he can break through any air defense system at every turn. It sounds impressive, but the specific effect depends on when he can actually fly into the sky. In a word, the PAKDA was Russia's trump card bomber for the future, capable of stealth, long range, and beating hard. Although the record was not yet there, this setting alone made people want to say that if this were mass-produced, it would indeed be enough for the opponent to drink a pot. I am Xiao Yu, and here is Xiao Yu talking about it. See you next time.